Have you ever wondered how the dried African oil bean seed, which is locally known as Ukpaka, is revived? A lot of people reach out to me desiring to know the best means of bringing back their dried Ukpaka to life, and I thought, why not create a video of it so that anyone out there can watch it whenever, wherever, and learn alongside. I hope you will relax and watch me convert my dried sliced bean seeds into some fresh Ukpaka ready for use. But before we kick off, let me first welcome you back to the Global Food Book YouTube channel. Welcome back to yet another video. If this is your first time here, you are highly welcome, but please keep coming around and feel free to click around this channel as we have tons of educational videos you will find helpful for sure. To my returning subscribers, you are simply the best, trust me, you are. Thank you so much for all your support, and I hope you will keep supporting us, okay? So let's move on to injecting life with some freshness back on this dried Ukpaka. Here we have some thoroughly dried Ukpaka that have been preserved. So I started off by pouring hot water into the oil bean seeds. Cover the bowl and let the Ukpaka soak overnight. Then the next morning I washed the Ukpaka thoroughly. I then transferred the bean seeds into a pot. Poured hot water and then cooked the Ukpaka until softened. And right here, you can see the difference that the once hard dried Ukpaka are now looking softer, right? So at this point, you can then bring it down from the heat and scoop out the Ukpaka from the hot water. And finally, we have our fresh Ukpaka ready to be used however you want it. So use the Ukpaka as much as you like in whatever dish you desire, be it Ugba, Abacha, Nkwobi, Isiewu, and the rest of them. You get the joke, right? So enjoy this goodness to the fullest, okay? If you find this video helpful, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. It's actually free, you know. Please go ahead and share this video as everyone needs to learn about this easy hack for reviving dried oil bean seeds. Please don't forget to subscribe to the Global Food Book YouTube channel to be notified once a new video is released. See you in my next video, and bye for now.